All right, Jam Box Breaks, the 6th of January, 11:34. We're doing a personal box for Joseph and Doug. Doug has National League and Joseph has American League. I'll let you guys pick which box if you guys can come to agreement. If you guys want to come to agreement on a box, we'll do that box. If not, I'll just pick it. But it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys just want me to pick one, or you want to come to an agreement? 4, Dougie, you cool with 4? So that'd be this box right here. Are you cool with 4, Doug? Okay. Thank you, guys. If National League doesn't hit it all, you can blame Joseph. Nice. Well, Doug, you want to keep going? I'm here. You got a lot of stuff. You want to get into the contenders case? I'll sell you one. I got 4 total, now 3. One's got teams taken, so I can't get rid of that one. Panini Hall of Fame's sick, too. What, did you just buy one from him? I don't have any hockey up, man. I wish. Oh, you mean when you drink? Yeah, I know. At least you get hits in mine. Kevin Plawecki, National. All right, we got Luis Severino for American out of 150. Yeah, you got screwed on that hockey too, man. Big time. That's why I need Rick Layton on when he drinks. He goes crazy. Kershaw and Urias for the Dodgers. Ash Russell, refractor. Whoops. There's Giolotto. All right, we got Richie Martin. Richie Martin, first time I pulled him in Oakland, so that's American League. We got Max Scherzer, refractor. Bogarts and Brendan Rodgers. Steven Matz, refractor. Conforto, refractor. Cornelius Randolph for the Phillies. Giancarlo Stanton, refractor. Yohan Lopez, D-backs, National League. Or no, yeah, National League, right? No, they used to be American. Joey Gallo. Chris Bryant, rookie. Was hockey good? I don't know for the price. I don't know what he gave you the price on it, but I've seen better. Second mini. Come on. I love hockey, man. I want to get the cup so bad. I just don't think we'll fill it. I don't want to get stuck with those cases. I don't have enough hockey, guys. I put up some basketball. I'm hoping to get rid of that. Moats is the only one that takes spots. Got that mixture for football. Only one spot went down. I'm shocked. Pulling the damn luck out of that box. I got 2 of them. All right. David Ortiz on the 3D. Angels, Sean Newcomb. We're not getting any big guys here. American League. Edwin Encarnacion. We got Ryan Braun and Jock Peterson. Garrett Cole, refractor. Colby Allard on the atomic refractor. Jacob Wilson. That was a shitty ass box, guys. Cardinals. National League. Adrian Gonzalez, Felix Hernandez, and Dylan Tate, Hunter Harvey. That was a shitty box. Yeah, box 4 was shitty, man. That's the worst box I opened so far in 4 cases. Not gonna lie. You picked it, man, not me. I was gonna go box 2. I was gonna go box 2. Anyone else want to do any breaks, guys? Yeah. I know Rich won some boxes. Rich loves his Bowmans best. Rich bought, I think, 3 boxes or 4 boxes. He did extremely well. Yeah. If anyone wants to do any more, let's go. I'm ready. That was terrible, though. If someone wants to go with you, I'm down, Doug.